What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for an affordable, safe, reliable car under $25,000, this is your best option right here. This is the 2024 Toyota Corolla Cross. Let's go take a look. But as always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, and turn on the notification icon for more car content. This is the key of your Toyota Corolla. Pretty simple key, 3 buttons, just a lock, unlock, and a panic button. But let's take a look at the car. It's pretty obvious that Toyota decided that it was time to get the regular Toyota Corolla and turn it into an SUV. And this is what they came up with. This is the 2024 Toyota Corolla Cross. Very nice and modern front fascia. As you can see, you have your Toyota emblem right over here. You have your LED combined with halogen headlights. You have no fog lights in this car. This is a base model, but you still get alloy wheels, and you have 215, 65, 17-inch tires. You do have turn signal indicators on the mirrors. Nice big doors. You have your gas tank on the driver's side. So coming into the back of the car, it says Corolla Cross right over here. You have your Toyota emblem. This is an LE model. You have one exhaust on the passenger side. You also have your shark fin antenna over here. You have these very nice racks. Also look at this detail that says Toyota Cross right over here. I think it's a very well designed car and a step up from the standard 4-door sedan that we're all accustomed to seeing on the streets. But now that I show you guys the exterior of the car, let's take a look at the interior. Going into the car, you have your door panel. You have a combination of hard plastic and soft rubber. You have your window switches, unlock and lock buttons, mirror controls, plastic door handles. You have your cup holder and a little bit of storage space right over here. This is your speaker. You have no door seals or anything like that that says Corolla Cross. You have cloth seats, at least in this model. Manual controls. You have 2 buttons over here for the brightness of your cluster and the automatic lights. You have your hood release right over here. But this is a base model, so you do going to see a lot of blanks. But let's go inside. Let's put the foot on the brake, turn on the ignition, and turn the car on. As you can see, this is the interior of the Toyota Cross, very similar to the 4-door sedan. Same steering wheel, you get no flat bottom. The steering wheel feels very soft to the touch, but it's not sporty at all. The grips are not very nice. But you have your media controls right over here. On the right side, you have your cruise control and lane keep and assist buttons. There's no paddle shifters or anything like that. You have your light switches on this side, and on the right side you have your windshield wipers. Nice old school analog gauges with a little small LCD display in the center. These are your AC vents. You have an infotainment system, made it to a 6-speaker sound system. The sound system, it's not too good and not too bad. It's right in the middle. It sounds pretty good, but nothing too fancy. Down here you have your AC controls. You have your hazard lights button. Some more blanks. USB Type-C. There's no regular USB in this car. You also get wireless charging right over here. This is your gear selector, your parking brake, your hold button, and 2 cup holders. Over here you also get some more storage space with a USB Type-C and a 12-volt outlet. You have your glove compartment with the manual for the car. And on the roof you have the light switches, as you can see, with nice LED lighting. You also have your sun visors with a light. If you want to buy this car brand new, it's going to cost you about $23,000. Spec just like this one, $23,000. You also get a basic warranty of 3 years, 36,000 miles, basic. Let's take a look at the back and see how much space and if you can actually fit adults in the back, because this is not a very big car. Going into the back of the Toyota Cross, you have a cup holder right over here, but nothing else. If we climb inside, you have your AC vents and 2 USB Type-C ports. There's no storage pocket behind the driver's side, but you do have one behind the passenger side. You have some handles and a light, but that's pretty much it. Nothing else. I do have to say, I feel very comfortable back here, and you can probably sit 2 to 3 adults back here comfortably. But now that I show you guys the exterior and interior of this car, let's take a look at the engine bay. To open the engine bay, there's a little latch right over here. You just pull. This is a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, making 169 horsepower, made it to a CVT transmission. This is a front-wheel drive car. As you can see, you have the battery right in front of the driver. Brand new engine, less than 2,000 miles. All right, let's go ahead and close the hood. Guys, this car is very safe, affordable, and reliable. If you're looking for a car that's under $25,000, you can get this car for $23,000. It's a very good car, and I highly recommend it for first-time drivers or someone, you know, looking to buy a car on the budget. But now that I show you guys the exterior and interior of the Toyota Corolla Cross, we're gonna go ahead and take it for a drive and see how well she drives. Let's go ahead and put on my seatbelt. There you go, let's take it for a drive. This car, as you can see, only has 1,991 miles. So we're gonna put it in drive. And right over here, we have the infotainment system. You do have Bluetooth, you have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. But I mean, these are, you know, it's a new car, so obviously it's gonna drive well. It's not that fast. 169 horsepower is not much, but it's a good, reliable car to get you from point A to point B. So driving the Toyota Corolla Cross, I mean, it's a brand new car, it has brand new tires. You don't get a ton of road noise. She drives very comfortably, you know, and for $23,000, it's a very nice, reliable car to get you from point A to point B. So no complaints. You also have the infotainment system that sounds pretty good. I can't say sounds bad, it sounds pretty good. You know, you have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, wireless. So no complaints there. We're gonna go ahead and, you know, just step on the gas, see how quick she picks up. So I have nothing in front of me, so let's hit it. Oh yeah, she's not going anywhere, guys. Yeah, so as you can see, the engine was screaming, but she was not going anywhere. But what can you expect with 169 horsepower? I have a copy in front of me, so I can't be dumb at the moment. But yeah, to get you around town to wherever you need to go, this is the perfect car. Highly recommend it. It's crazy to me how the interior of this car is the exact same as the one that you get in the 4-door sedan. It's like they got the 4-door sedan and they kind of like molded the exterior and raised the roof to make it look like an SUV, but the interior, even the dimensions, it's very, very similar if it's not the same. So this is basically a Toyota Corolla with a raised roof and a molded exterior to make it look, you know, a little different. But the interior is the exact same that you get in the 4-door sedan. They just decided to get their most sold car in the world and turn it into an SUV, because nowadays people do prefer an SUV over a sedan. All right, guys, so that's it on the Toyota Corolla Cross. Make sure to like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe for more car content. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.